English for Everyone. Business English. Course Book, Level 1. Lesson 40.
Welcome to Hanoi.
Have you been to Hanoi before?
You must be Mr. Burford.
Yes, we spoke on the phone.
It's great to meet in person.
Did you have a good flight?
Can I get you anything?
You must be Mr. Draper. Yes, we spoke on the phone. Have you been to Mexico City before? I'll let Mrs. Singh know that you're here. Would you like some tea or coffee? Did you have a good flight? I've been looking forward to this visit. It's great to meet you in person. Did you have any trouble getting here? Can I get you anything?
Would you like a cup of coffee?
Do you have any tea?
I'm afraid not. Can I get you some water?
Do you have any luggage? Would you like a cup of tea? Do you take sugar? Do you take any sugar? Did you have a good trip? Could I have some water, please? Here are some details about the hotel.
I like to drink coffee at breakfast. I didn't bring any luggage. Did you have a good flight? Do you need any help? Would you like to meet the team? There will be something to eat. Can I get you anything to drink? Please take a seat and wait here.
Hello, Miss Ling. Nice to meet you.
You too, Mr. Park. You've travelled a long way to be here, haven't you?
Yes, I've come from Moscow. At least it's a direct flight.
Have you registered for the conference yet?
Yes, I arrived at the venue yesterday evening for the opening reception. They gave me my lanyard, name tag, and conference program then, so I don't need to register today.
What are you going to see in particular? What are you most looking forward to seeing?
I really want to see the product launch of the new phone.
Me too. I also want to go to some of the marketing workshops. They look really interesting.
Are you giving a presentation yourself?
Yes. I'm talking about social media and marketing tomorrow afternoon in Seminar Room B.
Ah, I'll see if I can make it.
It's just before the final session.
Anyway, I must go. It's going to be a busy weekend.
Definitely. I hope I see you later.
Goodbye for now.
Bye.
Collect your lanyard from reception. The keynote speech will start at 10 a.m. The main presenter used a lot of slides. The main sponsor will launch a new product. Every attendee gets a lanyard and a name tag. In a workshop, the delegates get involved. There are lots of networking opportunities.
There is a workshop at midday. They have some free food and drinks. Do you have a lanyard already? I have some business cards to give people. I'd like to see some interesting talks. Are you going to any talks today? Do you have a business card? Are you staying in a hotel? They don't have any drinks. I'm giving a presentation today.
Do you have any goals for the conference?
I want to start networking with people in my field.
Sorry, I didn't catch your name.
It's Leo Smart. I haven't collected my lanyard yet.
Do you have any contact details?
Yes, here. Please take my business card.
Are you going to any presentations?
Yes, and I went to an interesting workshop this morning.
End of Lesson 40.